Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking our taste buds on an adventure to the beautiful country of Cambodia. Get ready to dive into the vibrant and delicious world of Khmer cuisine. From savory street food to aromatic curries, Cambodian food is a delightful fusion of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors. You're going to want to take notes on these 10 must-try Khmer foods. Buckle up, food lovers, because we're about to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Let's get started. First up, we have a dish that's close to Cambodia's heart, fish amok. This isn't just any fish dish, it's a creamy, coconut-based curry bursting with flavor and history. Imagine tender fish and rich coconut milk, infused with lemongrass, galangal, and turmeric. The magic lies in its taste and presentation. Traditionally steamed in a banana leaf bowl, it adds a subtle earthy aroma. Peeling back the banana leaf reveals a symphony of colors and aromas. The creamy coconut milk complements the delicate fish, with spices adding depth. Each bite is a taste of Cambodian tradition, making fish amok the national dish. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast or looking for authenticity, fish amok is a must-try. Next up, we're starting our day the Cambodian way with bai sash kruk, a beloved breakfast dish that's as simple as it is delicious. Picture this: thin slices of succulent pork, marinated in a sweet and savory sauce, grilled to perfection over charcoal, and served over a bed of fluffy white rice. But here's the secret ingredient that takes bai sash kruk to the next level: broken rice. These small, fragmented grains add a unique texture to the dish, soaking up all those incredible flavors from the marinated pork. The combination of sweet, savory, and smoky flavors is a match made in culinary heaven. Often, bai sash kruk is served with a side of pickled vegetables and a dipping sauce that adds a tangy kick to every bite. It's a hearty and satisfying breakfast that will fuel you up for a day of exploring the wonders of Cambodia. Calling all sandwich lovers, get ready to meet Num Pang, Cambodia's take on the beloved sandwich, and trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine a crusty baguette, similar to a Vietnamese banh mi, generously filled with a symphony of flavors and textures. You'll often find num pang filled with grilled meats like pork or chicken, pickled vegetables for a tangy crunch, fresh cilantro and chilies for a burst of freshness, and a smear of pâté for that extra layer of richness. The beauty of num pang lies in its versatility. You can find it with different fillings to suit every taste, from savory to spicy to vegetarian options. It's the perfect grab-and-go meal for when you're exploring the bustling streets of Cambodia. Whether you're craving a quick lunch or a satisfying snack, Num Pang is a must-try. Get ready to warm your soul with sam lor kor kor, a traditional Cambodian soup that's bursting with flavor and history. This isn't just any soup, it's a culinary journey through Cambodia's rich culinary heritage. Sam lor kor kor features a flavorful broth, often made with fish or pork, simmered with a medley of fresh vegetables like green beans, cabbage, and pumpkin. What sets this soup apart is the addition of kroung, a paste made from aromatic herbs and spices that forms the base of many Cambodian dishes. The result is a harmonious blend of savory, sweet, and slightly bitter flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Sam lor kor kor is often served with rice, making it a complete and satisfying meal. It's a dish that's deeply rooted in Cambodian culture and is often enjoyed during special occasions and family gatherings. We've explored savory dishes, but no culinary adventure is complete without a touch of sweetness. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth with Num Ansam Chek, a beloved Cambodian dessert that's as delightful as it sounds. Imagine this: sweet, sticky rice, filled with ripe banana slices, steamed to perfection in banana leaves, and drizzled with a luscious coconut milk sauce. The banana leaves impart a subtle, earthy aroma to the rice cakes, while the coconut milk adds a touch of sweetness and richness. Num Ansam Chek is the perfect way to end your Cambodian culinary journey on a sweet note. Whether you find it at a street food stall or a local market, be sure to treat yourself to this sweet taste of Cambodia. Next up, we're diving into a bowl of pure comfort food with Cuisine, a beloved Cambodian noodle soup that's a staple in Cambodian cuisine. This dish is a true testament to the versatility of Cambodian flavors, with countless variations found throughout the country. At its heart, Cuisine features a flavorful broth, often made with pork bones or seafood, simmered to perfection to extract maximum flavor. The star of the show is the noodles, typically thin rice noodles, that soak up all that delicious broth. You can add your choice of toppings, from tender slices of pork, beef, or chicken, to fish balls, shrimp, and even pig's blood for the adventurous eaters. Fresh herbs like mint, basil, and cilantro add a burst of freshness, while chili flakes and lime wedges allow you to adjust the spice and tanginess to your liking. Prepare to be amazed by amak tray, a dish that showcases the delicate flavors of Cambodian cuisine. This steamed fish dish is a true testament to the art of balancing flavors and textures. Amak tray features fresh fish, typically a white fish like snakehead or basa, coated in a fragrant coconut milk marinade enriched with lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, and kaffir lime leaves. The fish is then carefully wrapped in banana leaves and steamed to perfection, locking in all those incredible aromas and flavors. As you unwrap the banana leaf package, you're greeted by a symphony of aromas that will transport you straight to the heart of Cambodia. The fish is incredibly tender, infused with the rich flavors of the coconut milk and spices, while the banana leaves impart a subtle, earthy note. Get ready to expand your culinary horizons with prahok ketis, a dish that's not for the faint of heart, but is a true representation of Cambodian flavors. Prahok, fermented fish paste, is a staple ingredient in Cambodian cuisine, adding a pungent and umami-rich depth to many dishes. Prahok ketis features prahok that's been cooked with coconut milk, minced pork, and kroyong, the aromatic spice paste that's a cornerstone of Cambodian cooking. The result is a rich, savory, and incredibly flavorful dip that's typically served with fresh vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, and long beans. The creamy coconut milk helps to mellow out the strong flavor of the prahok, while the kroyong adds layers of complexity and depth. It's a dish that's best enjoyed in small bites, allowing the flavors to slowly unfold on your palate. Prahok ketis is not for everyone, but for those who appreciate bold and adventurous flavors, it's a must-try. Get ready for a flavor explosion with lok lok, a Cambodian stir-fry dish that's as vibrant as it is delicious. This dish is a true testament to the bold and savory flavors that Cambodian cuisine is known for. Lok lok features tender pieces of beef, marinated in a savory sauce made with soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and black pepper, stir-fried to perfection with onions and bell peppers. The result is a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you craving more. The beef is incredibly tender, infused with the savory marinade, while the onions and bell peppers add a touch of sweetness and crunch. Lok lok is often served with a side of rice and a fried egg, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Hold on to your hats, because we're about to venture into the realm of the truly adventurous with fried tarantulas, a Cambodian street food delicacy that's not for the faint of heart. Yes, you read that right. In Cambodia, fried tarantulas are a popular snack, often sold by street vendors. These 8-legged creatures are seasoned with salt, sugar, and sometimes chili powder, then deep fried until crispy and golden brown. Now I know what you're thinking. Tarantulas? Really? But trust me, there's a reason why this unique snack has become a Cambodian delicacy. The flavor of fried tarantulas is often described as being similar to crab or soft-shell crab, with a slightly nutty flavor. The exterior is crispy and crunchy, while the inside is surprisingly soft and delicate. If you're feeling brave and adventurous, I encourage you to step outside your comfort zone and give fried tarantulas a try. And there you have it, food lovers. We've explored 10 must-try Khmer foods that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From the aromatic curries to the flavorful noodle soups and the adventurous street food, Cambodian cuisine is a true feast for the senses. Now, I want to hear from you. Which Khmer food are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy eating.